Got the one east of the runway, not the one west.
Aircraft west of the runway, just about 2,000 feet down the runway, low level. Helicopter circulating into traffic on about a mile final to T-33s, having the site.
Good day. Place ready, now.
All right, we're moments away from the two T-33 airplanes making their way, and here she comes, the 787 Dreamliner.
And the 10,000 for 1 Pop Romeo.
Yeah, here it comes.
Horizon 393 with you, 12.6 for 12,000, flowing to 250 with Delta.
Heavy external at your discretion, contact Seattle Center 1.5.
Oh, going to Seattle Center, thank you much, Tower. Boeing 001 flight, when able, go 128.5.
There she goes, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, one for the ages. I hope the mics were able to capture some of the cheers that you heard from the many employees who have gathered here to watch this first flight. Again, the airplane will head north from Paine Field and then head out west towards the Pacific Ocean. Right now, the weather is looking pretty good south of Port Angeles, Washington, towards the Oregon coast. And most likely, that's where the pilots will turn after they make the turn out west. Yeah. And you know, we aside from the two T-33s that you saw there was also a T-38, another military airplane that is actually ahead of the 787, doing some weather recon to let the two pilots know how their weather will be. You know, again, I'm sure you heard the roar and the collapse in the crowd here at Paine Field from the thousands of employees you see there, a sea of employees who came out from the offices, came out from the factory today to witness this first flight firsthand. You have no idea how hard many of these employees have worked. They have devoted their passion, their energy, their intelligence, really giving their commitment to this airplane.